Hi everyone, today I am back again to do a new project, and this is very easy and simple project I am going to do. I am going to make a button tree. So remember, in case if you don't have buttons, you can always use something else. You don't need to use buttons itself. So the materials that I will be using is very simple, and we need only one color paint, and I'm going to use black color. It will be easy for me. So we are going to do something like this way, a beautiful project, so you guys going to love it. It's a tree with hearts, so you don't need to use. Now I had this wooden hearts, I use this one. If you don't have this, please don't need to use this one. You can always go and use something else. So the tree will be doing with paint. I will let you know how can you do it. And then again, you can use some nice this seat covers and some buttons, and I have this wooden heart. Those are the things that you can easily find in the house and use. You don't need to always go and do some shopping and buy anything. So those materials, if you have, you can find easily do the art project. And the second thing, if you don't have any of these like beads or these seats covers or any of this wooden heart or buttons, anything you don't have, go ahead, use some paper cut butterfly. You cut some butterflies or flowers out of these papers, colored papers, and you can use it. So the first thing you need is black color paint. So I will do is draw a nice tree, whatever you like, with the pencil. So don't need to put too much branches, but few branches will be nice. So once you're done with the branch, the tree, you have to do is use paint and color it. There's another technique you can do. You can apply glue onto the tree, and you can use some yarns to do the tree. You can stick some yarns or thread, embroidered thread, anything that you like on the tree. If you don't have thread also, you can go with tissue papers. You can roll the tissue paper, you can stick all the way on the tree. So I'm going to do is today is paint. So these are options that you always can improvise yourself. So you can do it, you can just color the tree like this way. The background, it's up to you how you want to keep it, because this cardboard is already done with gray color. So I want to leave it like that way. I like to do the painting technique today, so I'm using paint. But if you don't like to paint the tree, as I said, you can take some glue and stick some tissue papers, embroidery thread, anything that you will be like. When you come to the branches, you can always use a pointed brush. It's very easy to give the point effect. So simple, you can do the tree. Once you've done the tree, you can use anything. For example, you have buttons, you can use glue and stick the button around it, but you can find always button technique, but I like to do today is butterflies. I'm going to cut some butterflies and stick the butterflies. It's much more easy and simple way. So colorful, use colored papers or anything. So buttons are very easy to find, but in case if you don't have buttons, you can use, as I said, rice. That was a good idea. You can use some pasta. You can color the pasta with acrylic paint and then use. That is also a good idea. Those simple things you can find around the house, you can use it. So I'm going to stick all the butterflies here. It's going to be much more nice and cute. See, this project is going to be so easy and simple. You can always do it. You can cut, instead of butterflies, you can do flowers also. So it should be close to each other, not too far. Okay, so I did was I used cardboard and color the tree. Then what did I did? I used paper butterflies and I made this one. So if you don't have, as I said to you, you don't have any papers to cut the colored butterflies or flowers, you can use buttons like this way. This very easy. You can use some buttons, take some buttons and use. I had this wooden heart, so this project I already did with wooden hearts. If you see, it's very nice and amazing. So it's very easy. I did the full tree with wooden hearts. I color the wooden hearts with acrylic paint and I use. If you don't have that also, you can go ahead use some pasta, different shape of pastas. You can use acrylic paint and color it. If you don't have acrylic paint for pasta, you can always use food colors. You can just put all the pasta in the wood colors and leave for like 2 to 3 minutes. It will be colorful, so then you can, once it get dry, you can stick. And yeah, these are some more options that you can use. These things you can color and do it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project, and it's going to be so easy, simple and very, very quick. I hope you enjoy. See you tomorrow with a new project. Thank you for watching me.